Bonjour mes étudiants. Good morning children. Today we shall start our next grammar topic, that is les articles définis, means the definite articles. We have already discussed about les articles indéfinis in our previous classes. So moving on to the definite articles. Les articles définis. Definite articles. So definite articles are used to indicate some particular person or thing. They are used before the nouns we have become familiar with or we have already referred to them before. It also refers to the specific nouns which are of the same kind. In the previous classes, I already taught you les articles indéfinis, where I told you that there are three members in the family of les articles indéfinis: un, une, and they. Now we are moving to the family of definite articles. In this, we have four members: le, la, l'apostrophe, and les. Let us try to understand them one by one. If the noun is masculine singular, so the article used will be le. That means the in English. Let us take the example. If I have to say the garden, so you all know that garden is masculine. So translating it to French, it becomes le jardin. That means the garden. Moving to the second one. If the noun is feminine singular, so the word used will be la. La. That means again the. So if I have to say the car, so car in French is voiture. You can see that there is a E at the back. That means clearly that it is feminine. So the car in French is la voiture. That means the car. Moving to the third one. If the noun is singular and it begins with a vowel or a mute H. Here LE and LA are reduced to L apostrophe. I repeat again. If the noun is singular and it begins with a vowel, so the article used will be L apostrophe. That again means the. Let us see the example. The first example is the apartment, right? So apartment in French is appartement. You can see that it starts with A. So the vowel, the definite article used will be L apostrophe. So the appartement in French becomes L apostrophe appartement. See the last one. If the nouns are masculine plural or they are feminine plural, the article used will be les. Let us see the example. If I have to say the flowers, so the flowers in French will be les fleurs. You all know that flowers in French is fleur, so that becomes les fleurs. I repeat it, children. In the definite articles, les articles définis, we have four members: le, la, l'apostrophe, and les. Le is used with masculine singular. La is used with feminine singular. If the singular noun starts with a vowel or with an H, the article used is L apostrophe. And if it is masculine plural or feminine plural, the article used will be les. Let us try to understand it more. Definite articles are also used before the names of things which are unique of their own kind. Let us see the examples. The Eiffel Tower. So in French it is La Tour Eiffel, that is the Eiffel Tower. The second one, that is the earth. So the earth in French becomes la terre. So you can see that it ends in E. That means it is feminine. So it becomes la terre. See the third example, the Indian flag. The Indian flag in French becomes le drapeau indien. That is the flag Indian. Le drapeau indien. See the fourth one, the moon. The moon translated to French is la lune. La lune. See the last one, the sun. The sun in French is called le soleil. Le soleil. Let us see the difference between definite and indefinite articles. First one, a pen. That means I am not talking about any particular pen. So that is a stylo. A pen in French is a stylo. Now, the pen of Mr. Verma. That means I am particularly talking about that pen which belongs to Mr. Verma. So it is le stylo de Monsieur Verma. Le stylo de Monsieur Verma. That means the pen of Mr. Verma. Let us see the second example. A house. That means it can be any house. I am not particularly referring to any house. So a house in French is une maison. So children, you will notice that there is no E at the back. But still it is feminine because that is an exception. So it is une maison. Now if I say the house of Rohini, that means I am particularly talking about Rohini's house. So the house of Rohini in French is la maison, because maison I told you is feminine. So the article used will be la. La maison de Rohini. That means the house of Rohini. Children, I hope you all are clear with the topic of les articles définis and the basic difference between les articles définis and les articles indéfinis. Thank you. Merci.